This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marian Windridge. Contemporary new construction with loads of upgrades. Move right into this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2256 square feet under air, an oversized 2-car garage, and a stylish open floor plan. Upgrades include impact glass windows and doors, 42-inch soft close kitchen cabinets, upgraded stainless poles, granite countertops, Samsung SS appliance package, wood-look tile flooring throughout, custom bathroom vanities with granite countertops, upgraded tile and showers, 10-feet ceilings and upgraded 8-foot interior doors. Contemporary lighting and plumbing fixtures throughout. The oversized master bedroom features his under closets, spacious master bath with double vanities and a huge shower. 3 guest bedrooms are spacious, one with double doors to porch. Large covered and tiled porch and landscape package. Great location for an easy commute. For more information, review the details below or contact Marian Windridge at 772-708-5592.